Good morning, middle school. Today we are going to surprise some other younger neighbors with a homemade bird feeder that we're just going to put up on their window. So Lulu made a bird feeder. Tell us about it.
So we had extra suction cups, so we poked a hole in an empty thing of water. We poked holes so the suction cups could go in, and then we poked some more holes so these spoons could go in. So the bird feed will come out of the holes for the spoons, and they can eat right out of the spoons.
Okay. So now we're filling it up. Go for it. Our handmade funnel. Keep going. Keep going. And we spilled some for the birds that live at our house. Okay, we're going to run it down the street and stick it secretly to their playroom window. Now, we can't recommend trespassing, but we know these people really well, and they won't be too surprised if they see us outside sticking something carefully onto their window. I hope it works. And then they'll be surprised when they see birds eating birdseed. Okay, let go. Okay, good job. Okay, have a good day, middle school.
Bye.